home alone. I hope there's no monsters outside. Yo, it's dark out. I'm the only one. It's so dark. No, put the flashlight on. It's too bright. You need a stronger flashlight. I cannot post YouTube, bro. Do you know why? My mom locked YouTube. I don't know. They're here! Yay! Yo, I'll be back. Okay.
Ano buo? Mo din gipaw?
Wala ipaw.
Ano na po?
Oh, may kujo.
Lisdi na. Nasa nina dali daghan oh. Ah,
Please, ipakita mo. Please! Ay, pakita mo.
kung ba?
Video ko. Kita. Hawa, oy!
Wagi ka nagilis ha, wagi ka naligo.
Ay, ko, sabog si Papa ni mo.
Kiba man, wag ko kaliko.
Wala diha. Naami ganin natin, wakan ligo.
Ay, wala na kaligo.
Kita mi ni Papa kuan sudan niya. O decide na lang mi nga. Maghotdog na lang ang magkuan.
Hotdog! I love some bowls, yo.
I want to go.
Ayaw diha sa kuan kay mi ka.
Guys, what will happen if you make a shape like a apple, 2 apples and 1 banana? Do you know what I mean? Bro, need to shut up, yo.
Di na mo salita, uga na lang na ha.
I will do the festival later, okay? You're gonna be happy. Yeah. I'll do a festival later.
Look like an animal. Go back to the zoo.
You need to shut up, you motherfucker. You need to shut up. Go back to the zoo. Hey. I saw your mom cutting a pineapple. He said, "Where are you, SpongeBob?" I saw your mom cut og lubi. Pagtagak niya, pag 360 baldi. We're doing just nothing here. I watched TV last. Okay, Mama. I need to touch you. Help me. Mama. Hawa ba? Marco. Okay, ayaw ba? Mom. Okay. sarap lagi ka na ko. Ayo. Ayaw mo. Oh. Bro, need to chill. Ma! Ah! Phew. Almost. Okay. So, I will do a visual reel later, okay? I will wear my pajamas. I will wear everything. I will wear some. Well, pakitag lang. Get out! You need to leave. Come. You think you're strong, huh?
Yeah.
You think you're strong? Give me a down, you also got karate moves? Let's watch Lanky Box.
Yan, dapat ito sa kanila.
Jun, natawag kang bala.
Kakapoy din.
Natawag kang bala.
Sana pala.
Kata sa...
Bluetooth mode.
Huh? Dali, minti.
Pagtanaw ko na mag-shopping, hindi sa mga
Tralala.
Orcala, Coco Petro, Coco Paso, Elefanto, Bombardero, batig ng siya.
Batig ng siya.
You need to shut up. So dark!
Atit sila. Tanawa. Doon kasi mo na sa bitin.
Asa man ang bitin?
Nasa kilid. Black siya tanan.
What do you mean about that?
Nakita ang bitin doon.
You, there's a snake.
Ano ka ba? Kinsa siya Mami Ichay?
Kinsa si Mami Ichay?
Si Ate Chilay. Doon kayong bitin. Doon po sa boto.
Kasag mantika dito yung lakonde.
Why always me?
Doon kayo sa
Sige,
boto
sige.
ang hilo.
Asa mo mantika?
Ito lang mama ni Lola na lisan.
Okay, ako na daloy.
Mantika, 1 point.
Baboy. Baboy ka. Kita ka rin sa taxi mo.
Bro, you need to shut the f up. Monster! Yo, we always played here. We always played here. We played here. Now I will do a video. Now we played here, okay? Come on. Go. By the way, I'm in the Philippines, Cebu. Ay, Lapu-Lapu City. Ayo, pala komenti ka, one part. Mantika, one part.
Aguroy, kada ko naman ini mo. Ano kasinsiyo nilang gaya? Ito lang pinansin yung palit ko.
Mantika, one part.
Kaya wala na kasinsiyo.
Shit, rock.
Buha ka egg o buha ka...
You do ka egg. Kabukag si Minsan na. Duha ka itlog. Usa ka banana. Ayaw. Bro. Ayo. Apa? Kan bersama nama Umar. I wanna run a meeting. I want to run with this place. Flashlight. Palit ko mantika 1/4. Wala sinsiyo. Sukli or kuan kwenta. Oh. Ay, wala sinsiyo. What the f is this? Go to the right way. Go to the right way. Kita bisa sini. Ma, wala sinsiyo daw. Wala daw sila sinsiyo. Wala sa silo.
Ha?
Wala sa silo.
Wala na sila.
Di ba wala sa sinsiyo. Sinsiyo.
Check it out. The top of the screen, we have over 1,000 coins, and it looks like we reached the first checkpoint. And also a little tip.
Ano sila? Wala sa sinsiyo.
Ito ka na sila.
Oh, wala sa sila sinsiyo.
Oh, that's really cool. Wait, can I do side by side with that? It's
Watch.
kept the flamethrower a little bit lower, but we also upgraded it so that it has even more health. And most importantly, dudes, we can go ahead and add this handy dandy Gatling gun. Let's see how this does. Oh my goodness, yes! I'm about to build the best zombie killing machine the world has ever seen. And it looks like it does have a super ability. Let's test it out. What? That does so much damage! That literally melts through zombies like butter. Don't mind me, yes, excuse me, pardon me, I'm just gonna flamethrow my way to victory. Nothing personal, I just do not like zombies. Okay, let's use our chainsaw, super effective as always. Before I decided to make this video, I was checking out this game and I was like, it looks okay, but it had 10 million downloads and I just had to figure out why. And I think I figured out why. This game is like weirdly satisfying, especially the fact that I could use a giant minigun to destroy zombies. It honestly kind of reminds reminds me of the game I used to play when I was younger called Earn to Die. But this one is a little bit different. I can't say if it's better or not, but it is definitely cool. Now, I don't really appreciate the zombies. They are really trying to destroy my car, which I get it. They want to eat little Timmy. I mean, he looks very, very scrumptious at the end of the day, but I'm getting a little bit worried for my safety. Okay, let's use our minigun. Yes! Yes! Melt through the zombies! Go! That did not do as much damage as I thought it would. The zombies start to get really powerful after a little bit. Okay, they're starting to get to little Timmy. Little Timmy has a smile on his face. Little Timmy is terrified right now. Little Timmy, you gotta go. They didn't even kill my car. They just killed little Timmy. Where do they even go? Maybe we should upgrade the health
Oh, in the video
and then maybe upgrade the damage as well.
Sugar.
That should hopefully do the trick. Back to battle, little Timmy. Little Timmy is about to have a PhD in melting zombie brains. My goal today is to make it so that no zombie ever thinks about laying a finger, a hand, or a tooth on little Timmy ever again. Okay, looks like that upgrade was super effective because as soon as a zombie touches this chainsaw, they get demolished. And not in a good way, in a bad way. Okay, I'm gonna try to save up as much energy as possible. That way, towards the end, if we need to use it, we'll have a ton saved up. So we should hopefully be able to get at least further than we have. Our goal is to get to that treasure chest and then eventually get past Zombie City. What lies beyond Zombie City? I have no idea, but I intend to find out. I think we might have to use something soon. Let's go ahead and let's use our Gatling minigun. Go! Yes! Okay, that clearly is our best thing so far. That does an insane amount of damage. It's not even funny. Let's use our flamethrower as well right now, just to keep the zombies away, because it looks like our bottom tier is taking some serious damage. There we go. We're clearing the way. We're running a little bit low on energy. Getting a little bit worried here. Let's use our flamethrower. It melts their eyebrows. That is insane. This thing has 20,000 health. That is way too much. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be. Our Gatling gun and our flamethrower. And of course, little Timmy. We need to keep saving up for flamethrowers. We're gonna save it till the very end. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes! Yes! We did it! We busted through! Let's go! We just did so much money, it's not even funny. Okay, let's just use our Gatling gun before I slowly and steadily die. Okay, that is a whole bunch of zombies. Zombies that there were in The Walking Dead. We have so much money and we also, what is that? We just get an upgrade. Oh, nice! We can